This week I built a final edition Trek truck. I have a 150,000 mile motor. You definitely want to see that. And the auctions were bizarro world this week. Hello, my Rover friends. Welcome to Rover News Auction Reviews. I'm your buddy Justin. We're going to dive into a combination of Rover News and Lucky 8 News because they're kind of the same thing. This week's Rover News big news is Destination Defender is next week. You got to be there. You should be there. If you're in that New York City, you know what? If you're on the East Coast, start driving. I'll see you there. We got all kinds of things going on. We're setting up a big camp. Well, I'm going to be at a campsite, but there's a ton of us coming down. So please come over, say hello. I'm going to bring some Brazilian lobsters. Why? Because they're orange. We're going to cook some of those up. If we can get the Winter Romp chef, Patricia, she's going to cook her famous lobster macaroni and cheese. So hopefully she shows up and can do that. If not, more lobsters for us. I'm also going to bring my little pizza oven. I believe our buddy from Autobiography is going to come and show us how to cook a stage 3 pizza. I've had one of Paul's pizzas before. They're terrible, but be warned, I'll be making hot Hawaiians. So if you want a real delicacy, come by at night, but not too late. I go to bed early. I mean, clearly, how can I look this good if I don't get my beauty rest? What's that? I should go to sleep now? You're right. So Destination Defender, I'll see you there. Next up on Rover News is a Rover News, Lucky 8 News, and Sarek News. Ralph from Sarek Auto has a high mileage. He's got like 150,000 miles on his P300 Defender 90. This 90 has been flogged. He's wheeled it hard. He's taken it all over the country. He pulled some crazy, what are those, aluminum trailers with it, the Airstreams. He's towed vehicles. It was used in the Rebel Rally. This car has seen a life. At 150,000 miles, it's like, all right, maybe it's time. He's starting to get a little bit of timing chain rattle. So he pops open the motor, and this is what it looks inside. 150,000 miles. Ultra clean. And why is it that clean, you're going to ask? I'll tell you. 5,000 mile oil changes. I have been saying this for over a decade. Ralph's a real mechanic, so he's probably been saying it for 2 decades. Change the oil every 5,000 miles. That car was beat, and it's amazing. Let this be a lesson to everybody out there. If your only takeaway from this week's news is change your oil 5,000 miles, keep your motor clean. And the timing chain job, he said it's, I don't have the notes, but it was like $5,000 to $8,000 depending on components. So 150,000 miles to refresh the timing chains. I'd prefer not to, but in reality, it's not too bad. They're not popping around, at 60 or 40,000 miles. I think 100,000 miles, 150,000 miles is fair for that type of service. On to Lucky 8 News. Roverball. I don't have a Roverball sticker, but Roverball. It is growing. We are going. Green Bay, Big Bend down in Texas. You're going to want to be there. You can watch from the sidelines. I'm going to do the tracker again, but it'd be way more fun if you stop by, at least said hello, had dinner, had lunch. I'll see you at Roverball. Go sign up in Anarch. It is the top link in this video. Get down there, sign up. On to the auction news. It was bizarro world for me. I got it all right, but it was all wrong. Here we go. This one is a 2000 Disco 2. It was repainted. It was pretty. I thought the lights on the roof rack were a little small, and I don't know why people just want to leave that metal bar when they take off the plastic bumper. He did that, or they did that. I'm guessing this car is going to go at the 150,000 mile range for right around $11,400. It's clean, it was good looking, and it sold for $9,700. Not too far off. What am I? 17%. Not proud of it, but hold on, hold my beer. Let's move to the next auction. A 2004 Benetti Gray, the best color ever, Disco 2. It has a little suspension lift. It had some off-road goodies, a bumper, roof rack, and rear bumper. They seem to be homemade. Nothing wrong with that, but it's definitely, you made it for yourself, not for everybody. I'm thinking this is only going to go for $9,200. You know, you guys already know where this is going. Nope, sold for $11,000. It's like bizarro. I had them backwards. It makes me so mad. So I'm off 16% there. Still not horrible, but I'm not proud of it. Okay, LR4s. I pay attention to these. I'm a man about town. I know stuff. This is the 25th edition, the Luxe. It is beautiful. Got a two-tone interior. I believe our buddy Charles Bell has a version of this. High miles-ish at 125, which is actually kind of low miles if you think about the year. My guess, 12,900 and 15,000. So I haven't completely lost my mind. 14%. Getting better. You think I'm getting better. That's it. Here it comes. Cart is off the rails. 2000 TD5 110, beautiful green truck. Well, you look at it and you're like, I want that. They did everything right. I think it's even got boost wheels. My guess, it's going to bring some good money. 34,200 for this left-hand drive, 5-speed. It sold for $43,000. Internet, what are you doing to me? Bizarro. But if you think about it, the numbers were backwards. So I meant to say 43,200. All right, on to my last one, another LR4, 2011, ultra low miles. I think it's got like 24,000 miles in that little gold bronze color. What do you guys think this is going to go for? 24,000 miles, 2011. You ready? My guess, $31,600. That is a boatload of money for an LR4. Not even close. 10%, 20%, 30%. 30% off. That sold for $44,000. Man, if you got a clean LR4, cars and bids. The cars and the bids. Get it on there. It's bringing great money. Okay, so overall, 19%. I still passed, but it's still terrible. I had everything backwards and mixed up. I'll be at Destination Defender next week. Expect to see you there. Come over, say hi. I'm going to bring some stickers from Sticker Traders. We'll hand some of those out. That'll be fun. And I'm hoping to do the news in front of a live audience. So that means there'll be a lot of people making fun of me. Next week video, going to be good. Be sure to follow.